How about that new parking lot?
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Less chaotic than last year?
Yes.
It's better.
Best thing about it?
Best thing about it?
I get my steps in walking to school.
Yes.
Wait. Let's show them the walk. Woo, yeah. Getting your steps in,
Yeah.
burning calories.
Yes, burn all the calories.
It's gonna be great when the new building comes because we're like.
Yeah, I'm right there. I'm right there.
Yeah, right there.
Right there in the front with the new
Yeah.
building. All right,
Yeah.
cool. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Oh, the new parking? Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. I think especially when the new building comes, that new parking is gonna be super nice.
Less chaos?
Yeah, a lot less chaos for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It's right in front of the new building. You got your nice scenery here, and it's a long walk, but you know, glad that they had added it so that everyone can have a parking spot.
Hey, tell us about the parking space, man. It seemed like you just literally from there, you just zipped right in, easy peasy.
Yeah, it's easy access, you know, get in, get out. It's good.
Now you got the long walk.
Yeah.
That's okay, getting your steps in.
Yep.
Yeah, tell us what you love about the new parking space. Not have to drive around looking for a spot. Is this your first year of
Yeah,
parking?
this is my first year. I mean, it's just good that we get more people in the parking lot, and yeah, it's just better.
It's nice to be able to walk and talk with your friends. It really doesn't feel that far. You know, especially be super nice when we're right across from the new building.
I mean, yeah, it's exciting just because like I get to be up there for the new school year now when we move over.
Yep, right up there.
Yeah.
I love it, and I love how close we're gonna get to be to the new school.
Yep, right behind you
It's gonna make things so much easier just for the walk.
for the senior year.
Yay, senior year!
But it's freedom, right?
Yes, definitely.
Coolest thing about it.
The fact that I have a parking spot.
Are you bragging to your friends?
Yeah.
For sure.
Tell us your number.
I'm
41. I'm 41.
All right, parking buddies.
Yes, of course.